It was a Tuesday. Just another ordinary day, until I noticed something on my old bank statements. My income from 3 years ago, 2 years ago, last year. Identical. All those extra hours, missed family dinners, and late nights. For what? The numbers didn't lie. I was running in place. A cold realization hit me. I was trapped. I'd sacrificed so much, telling myself it was for a better future. But the future looked exactly like the past. I stared out the window, watching people move forward, while I stood still. That moment was a painful wake-up call. I saw myself clearly, a man working hard, but getting nowhere. The story I'd told myself about hard work paying off was just that. A story. I'd been so busy grinding, I never stopped to see the big picture. Something had to change. I couldn't keep doing the same thing and expect a different result. That Tuesday, my old life ended. A new journey began. The numbers forced me to face the truth. I was stuck, not because of bad luck, but because I was repeating the same actions. I realized I needed to break the cycle. It was time to stop surviving and start building something new. That day, I made a promise to myself. Things would be different. I didn't know how yet, but I knew I couldn't go back. The first step was admitting I was stuck. The next was deciding to move forward, no matter how hard it would be. That Tuesday became the turning point. The day the numbers stood still was the day I decided to move, and that changed everything. For years, I blamed everything but myself for my lack of progress. The economy, my boss, the system, my list of excuses was endless. Blaming others was comforting. It meant I didn't have to change, but it also meant I gave away my power. I was stuck in a victim mindset, waiting for the world to change. Complaints became my routine, but nothing improved. The day I saw those bank statements, the blame game ended. The numbers didn't care about my excuses, they only reflected my actions. I realized, if I was the problem, I could also be the solution. It was a painful truth, but also freeing. No more waiting for someone else to fix my life. I had to take responsibility. That shift in mindset was the first real step forward. I stopped pointing fingers and started looking in the mirror. The world wasn't going to hand me a new future. I had to build it myself. Blame had kept me stuck. Ownership set me free. The power to change was mine all along, and I was finally ready to use it. I believed hard work was the answer. So I worked harder, first in, last out, always busy, always tired, but my income never changed. I confused activity with achievement. Most of my time went to low-value tasks, emails, meetings, busy work. I was a replaceable cog, not the engine. The world doesn't pay for effort, it pays for value. My paycheck wasn't for hours worked, but for problems solved. That realization hit hard. I could work 24/7, but if my work wasn't valuable, my income would stay the same. I needed to stop selling my time and start building skills that mattered. The goal wasn't to work harder, but to become better. I had to transform from a task doer to a problem solver. That was the only way forward. I started asking, what problems can I solve that few others can? That question changed my focus. I stopped chasing hours and started chasing value. The hamster wheel stopped spinning. I was finally moving in the right direction. Working smarter, not just harder, became my new rule. That's when real progress began, and my life started to change. Understanding the difference between hours and value changed everything. I stopped asking, how can I work more? And started asking, how can I be more valuable? I listed my daily tasks. Most could be done by anyone. The few that required real skill became my focus. My mission: shrink the first list, grow the second. I aim to become the person who creates solutions, not just checks boxes. This mindset gave me control. My income was now tied to my growth, not my hours. I studied successful people. They built systems, developed rare skills, solved big problems. They didn't trade time for money, they created value and captured it. I realized my future depended on my willingness to learn and adapt. I became obsessed with value. Books, videos, mentors. I absorbed everything I could. The path was clear: build skills, solve bigger problems, become irreplaceable. It wouldn't be easy or quick, but it was possible. For the first time, I felt like the driver of my own life. I wasn't just working, I was building. Every day, I was investing in a more valuable version of myself. That was the real breakthrough. and it made all the difference. Knowing I had to change was one thing, doing it was another. I made a plan, 3 steps. First, learn high-value skills. I picked digital marketing and used free resources to practice. Every evening, I studied and built small projects. Second, build a second income stream. I offered my new skills to a local bakery, managing their social media for a fee. That first check was proof I could create value on my own. Third, track every dollar. I wrote down every expense and income. The numbers revealed where I was wasting money. It wasn't about deprivation, but intention. These steps worked together. Skills led to side income, which I managed wisely. I paid down debt, invested in better tools, and kept learning. Small steps built momentum. I was no longer just surviving, I was growing. Every day, I took action, no matter how small. The cycle of progress replaced the cycle of frustration. I was building a new foundation, one skill, one client, $1 at a time. The process wasn't glamorous, but it was real. Each step forward made the next one easier. I finally felt in control of my future. The plan was simple, but it worked. I wasn't waiting for change. I was creating it. That's how my new beginning started, and it's how anyone can start too, one step at a time. Today my life is different. Not perfect, but no longer stuck. My income has doubled, but the real change is inside. Confidence replaced fear. Ownership replaced blame. I wake up excited, building a future, not just working a job. The world didn't change. I did. The journey was hard, but every small win built momentum. Motivation isn't something you wait for, it's something you create by taking action. My story isn't unique. Many people feel stuck, working hard but falling behind. If that's you, know this. You're not alone, and there is a way out. The answer isn't working harder at the same things. It's facing the truth, taking responsibility, and building a more valuable you. It starts with a decision. To stop blaming and start building, you have the power to change your life no matter where you are now. Today can be your turning point. Look at the hard truth, then decide to write a new story. A story of growth, value, and freedom. Don't let anyone, especially yourself, tell you that you can't. You can. The only question is, will you? Your new life is waiting. Take the first step.